Yes, we have a 99 Honda Accord, 4-cylinder, 16 valve. We're gonna replace a starter on this guy. The solenoid was doing that last little click click, the last little life that we try to get out of her before they exchange. That's what we're about to do now. Swap her out. Yeah. And possibility go back and since later we had put in valve cover gasket, and then saying we're gonna try to either snug on those bolts or get her up off of there to see what kind of seal we may have to do. And I know it can be sealed off a little better than it is. Yeah. 99 Honda Accord.